Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Mike. It's Friday. Are you excited about the weekend?
Yes, I love Fridays. The whole weekend is ahead.
Do you have any plans?
A few things, nothing too crazy. What about you?
I have some plans too. You know, this is perfect for today's topic.
What do you mean?
Weekend plans, talking about what we're going to do.
Oh, that's such a practical topic. Everyone talks about their weekend plans.
Exactly. On Friday, everyone asks, what are you doing this weekend? So let's learn how to answer.
Yes, this is really useful. Plus, it's a great conversation starter.
Absolutely. So today, we'll learn how to talk about weekend plans, make suggestions, and accept or decline invitations.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, Mike, let's start with the basic question. How do people ask about your weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
Exactly. That's the most common one. You can also say, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans?
Or, got any plans this weekend? Or just any plans?
So there are different ways to ask.
Yes, from formal to very casual, and they all mean the same thing.
How do I answer?
Well, if you have plans, you say, yes, I'm going to, or I'm planning to, or use present continuous.
Present continuous?
Yes, like I'm visiting my friend. We use present continuous for definite plans.
Oh, so I'm meeting Tom for coffee on Saturday?
Perfect. That shows it's a confirmed plan. What if I don't have plans?
Then you say, not really, or nothing special, or I'm just staying home. Nothing much, just relaxing.
Exactly. Very natural. And often people add, what about you, at the end.
I'm just taking it easy this weekend. What about you?
Perfect. That keeps the conversation going. So, Mike, what are you doing on Saturday?
Well, in the morning, I'm going to sleep in.
Sleep in. What does that mean?
Sleep in means wake up late, stay in bed longer than usual.
Oh, I love sleeping in. What time will you wake up?
Probably around 9 or 10. No alarm.
That sounds perfect. And after that?
Then I'm going to make a big breakfast. Eggs, toast, coffee, a full breakfast. And in the afternoon, I'm meeting my friend Alex. We're going to play tennis.
Tennis? That's active. Where are you playing?
At the park near my house. They have public courts.
What time are you meeting?
Around 2 p.m. We're playing for about an hour. Then we might grab lunch.
That sounds like a great Saturday.
What about you, Sophie? What are you doing on Sunday?
Sunday, I'm going hiking with a group of friends.
Oh, nice. Where?
We're going to Mount Tam. It's about an hour drive from here.
What time are you leaving?
We're meeting at 7 a.m. I know, it's early.
7 a.m. on a Sunday? That is early.
I know, but we want to avoid the crowds and the heat.
That makes sense. How long is the hike?
It's about 3 hours up. Then we're having a picnic at the top, then 3 hours back down.
That's a full day. Are you bringing anything special?
I'm making sandwiches and bringing fruit. Everyone is bringing something to share.
That sounds wonderful. A whole day in nature.
Mike, notice how we've been using going to a lot?
Oh, yes. I'm going to sleep in. I'm going to make breakfast.
That's because going to is perfect for plans. It shows you already decided.
So when I made plans with Alex, I can say, I'm going to play tennis.
Exactly. Or you can use present continuous. I'm playing tennis. Both work for definite plans.
What's the difference?
Present continuous feels more definite, like you set a time and place. Going to is also definite, but maybe less specific.
I'm meeting Alex at 2 p.m., very specific. I'm going to play tennis, definite, but maybe time not confirmed.
Yes. But honestly, for weekend plans, both are very natural. Don't overthink it.
Okay, good. Sophie, what if I want to invite someone to do something? How do I suggest plans?
Great question. There are many ways. The easiest is, do you want to?
Do you want to get coffee?
Perfect. Or you can say, would you like to? A bit more formal.
Would you like to go to the movies?
Yes. Or very casual, wanna or want to.
Want to grab lunch?
Exactly. That's very casual and friendly.
Any other ways?
You can say, how about or what about? Like, how about going for a walk? Or what about seeing that new movie?
So many options.
Yes, and they're all natural. Use whichever feels comfortable. You can also say, let's. That's for suggesting something you do together.
Let's go to the beach.
Yes. Or let's get pizza. Very direct and friendly.
Let's meet at noon.
Perfect. And if you're not sure, you can say, we could or maybe we could.
Maybe we could see a movie?
Exactly. That's softer, less direct. Good if you're not sure they'll say yes.
Okay, so someone invites me. How do I say yes?
The simplest is sure or sounds good.
Do you want to get coffee? Sure. What time?
Perfect. Or you can say, I'd love to. That shows enthusiasm.
Would you like to come over for dinner? I'd love to. Thank you.
Great. You can also say, that sounds great, or that sounds fun.
Let's go to the park. That sounds great. What time?
Exactly. Notice you often ask what time or where after accepting.
Because I want the details.
Right. You accepted. Now you need to know when and where. Now, what if you can't go?
That's harder. I don't want to be rude.
Don't worry. There are polite ways. First, you usually say, I'd love to, but...
I'd love to, but I can't this weekend.
Perfect. The I'd love to shows you appreciate the invitation.
So I'm not just saying no, I'm showing I wish I could.
You can also say, I'm sorry I can't, or unfortunately I have plans.
Do you want to see a movie? I'm sorry I can't. I'm visiting my parents this weekend.
Great. You gave a reason. That's polite.
Do I always need to give a reason?
Not always, but it helps. It shows you really can't, not that you just don't want to.
What if I want to suggest another time?
Perfect. You can say, I can't this weekend, but how about next week?
I'd love to, but I'm busy Saturday. Are you free Sunday?
Excellent. That shows you want to see them, just not that day.
I can't make it Friday, but what about Saturday instead?
Perfect. That keeps the plan alive. Mike, sometimes plans aren't definite. How do you talk about maybe plans?
Like when I'm not sure yet?
Exactly. You use might or maybe.
I might go to the beach.
Yes. That means you're considering it, but not decided.
Maybe I'll visit my friend.
Good. Or I'm thinking about going to the movies.
So thinking about shows it's not definite.
Right. It's in your mind, but not confirmed.
I'm thinking about staying home and watching a movie.
That's a very relatable plan. Mike, let's go over some useful weekend vocabulary.
Yes, please.
First, activities. Go shopping, visit stores and buy things.
I'm going shopping on Saturday.
Run errands. Do necessary tasks like grocery shopping, post office, bank.
I need to run errands in the morning.
Catch up on. Do something you're behind on, like catch up on sleep or catch up on TV shows.
Oh, I need to catch up on sleep.
Me too. Then there's hang out. Spend casual time with friends.
I'm hanging out with Tom on Sunday.
Perfect. Very casual and natural.
What about staying home?
You can say stay in or have a quiet weekend or take it easy.
I'm just staying in this weekend.
Or I'm having a lazy weekend. That means relaxing, not doing much.
Sometimes that's the best kind of weekend.
Absolutely. Rest is important. Mike, let's practice a natural weekend conversation.
Okay, you start.
Hey, Mike, it's almost the weekend. Any plans?
Not too much. I'm playing tennis with a friend on Saturday, then just relaxing on Sunday. What about you?
I'm going hiking on Sunday. Want to join?
I'd love to, but I'm actually really tired this week. I'm planning to have a lazy Sunday.
Maybe next time.
Definitely. Have a great hike.
Thanks. Enjoy your tennis game. See? Natural and easy.
That felt really comfortable.
Let's quickly review the most useful phrases. For asking, what are you doing this weekend? Or any plans? For answering, I'm going to, or nothing much, just relaxing. For suggesting, want to, or how about, or let's. For accepting, sure, or sounds good, or I'd love to. And for declining, I'd love to, but, or I'm sorry, I can't. Everyone listening, we hope this conversation helped you talk about your weekend plans.
What are you doing this weekend? Tell us in the comments. Practice using I'm going to.
And remember, weekend small talk is easy. Just ask, any plans? And share what you're doing.
It's a great way to start conversations.
Everyone loves talking about their weekends.
I just realized I need to confirm with Alex about tennis. I should text him right now.
Right now, we're recording.
I know, but what if he forgot? What if he made other plans?
Mike, relax. Just text him later.
Okay, but I'm texting him the second we finish recording.
You're very organized about your plans.
Yes, I know.
Well, everyone, enjoy your weekend plans. We'll be back soon with another fun episode.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Goodbye.
Bye.